Alright, so the intro I shot before our ride Saturday, I had a little technical difficulties with my camera, a little bit of a malfunction. But, we're new to the whole filming, vlogging, editing the videos, YouTube thing, so hopefully you'll just bear with us while we try to learn how to do this. Anyways, me and Dad went on a ride put on by our local Indian dealer. It's a Ride NKY Indian Motorcycle of Northern Kentucky. The ride was put on by the local Indian Riders Group. It's the Indian Motorcycle Riders Group number 2074. It was put on by Josh and Jennifer Blair from the group. But Bob led us. He's from the group also. He took us on some roads, pretty good roads, some roads we've never been on before. It was a lot of fun. A little bit of a different route. And me and Dad had never rode with a group of riders that we've never rode with before, so that was interesting, riding with people that you don't know. Just getting to ride with some different people was a lot of fun. And it was a good ride. Glad we went. I hope to go on some more. They do rides out of the Indian dealer a lot. The IMRG 2074 does. You can look them up on Facebook but it was a lot of fun. And after our ride, we were talking to Jennifer Blair. Her and her husband Josh, who put on the ride, they work at the it's called Balanced Dynamics Motorcycle Training Center. It's in Walton, Kentucky. She was telling us that they do motorcycle safety courses and motorcycle skill courses for all levels of riding, from just learning how to ride, beginner, intermediate, up to advanced riders. And from what she was saying, it seems like they got a pretty good setup out there. If y'all would like to check them out, they're in Walton, Kentucky. But, we got a little interview from her at the end of this video. If you want to watch the video and check that out, if something like that interests you. But like I said, we're new to this whole YouTube thing. We're just trying to get started, and hopefully people enjoy it. If anybody's got any questions, comments, or concerns, leave us a comment. Let us know what you think. If you like it, don't like it, like the video, and just leave us some tips. If you think we need to do something different, don't like the way we do it, like the way we do it, just let us know. And, hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Alright, we're at Indian in Northern Kentucky. We're about to go on a ride with these guys. Should be a good time.
Hi. Hey, so really quick, Bob's gonna be leading the ride today, and a couple of you I was talking to a little bit. So if you're not on our Facebook, look us up, Northern Kentucky. Just put on Northern Kentucky IMRG. Hopefully you'd find us. This is number 2074. Not that you probably remember that. I wouldn't. But next Saturday we'll be meeting here at 8:30 in the morning, leaving at 9. We're going to go to Red River Gorge. So that'll be kind of a long all-day trip. We'll eat some lunch down there, all that good stuff. We've got some stops planned to kind of pull off the side, take some scenic pictures and things like that. And then next month, we also have a ride up in Hocking Hills with Columbus and Cleveland So there'll be a bunch of bikes for that. Iron Pony's doing lunch for us up there. So just kind of info for that. Yeah.
Are they, can non-Indian?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely. You can ride
Two
whatever
and
bike
three
you
wheels.
want.
Our son-in-law has a Honda. He's a gold whatever.
Yep. As
We
long as you
usually
have.
have a victory with us.
Yeah, there's.
Sport bikes,
I know.
whatever.
I know Columbus has a couple Can-Ams as well in their group, and some Harleys. You ride whatever you want. We do, as long as you come. It doesn't matter. That's all I got.
Okay, well, we have a beautiful day for riding.
Yes.
I can tell you where we're going, but too many roads. We're going to be riding over in that area, then we're going to do this area, and end up here. Pretty much it. The staggered riding, there's going to be we're going to get all kinds of different types of roads, but we're going to start out going down 25, turning right on Chambers, and even 25, a lot of it's going to be single file because either bad outside lane or just watch the roads, of course. And a lot of the roads are going to be no center line. They're going to be that small, back little country roads, so not going to be going real fast, which is good for a group ride. And everyone's not familiar with everyone else. And that's about it, really. About an hour and a half. So, like I said, we'll meet back here, and I don't know, Mike, you going to have pizzas or?
Yeah, Mike have pizza and drinks.
Pizza lunch.
Hang out, and so that way you don't have to go get lunch and worry about that. Absolutely.
What's the plan for stoplights?
There's only a couple of stoplight, mostly stop signs, but we're not going to have any blockers.
Okay.
So just if you see someone, be sure and thank them. if you're
Well,
going
back in
through,
the day, we did the, if you can't see the guy behind you, slow down. thing.
Exactly.
Yeah, same
Exactly.
thing. If you can't see the person behind you in your mirror, slow down so you can. That'll force everybody else in the front to slow down. Absolutely.
And a lot of these roads, hopefully, there'll be some new roads for you. That's the whole thing about doing these rides. And like I said, a lot of little back roads I went out and explored to find them. So I think they're pretty cool. And maybe you'll find a new favorite route.
Thank you, Bob.
All right, let's ride.
Yeah, that's all I got. Yeah, good.
Jared and
Brian. Okay, this is Jennifer Blair. She's going to talk about Balance Dynamics motorcycle safety course.
yes, so Balance Dynamics Motorcycle Safety Course. We are in Walton, Kentucky. Dinah, Bill, and Billy Meister are the owners there. It's a great place to come and learn to beginner riders or two-wheel, three-wheel, or you can come and learn the advanced techniques. So I was talking to Jared here, that's been riding for 20 years, about how he has a good personality and is a very experienced rider and should come join us as an instructor at Balance Dynamics.
So you do it on only the weekends, or just
We do it through the week and the weekends. I do primarily through the weekends because I do it outside of my full-time job. But if you wanted to make it a full-time career, we have some that do. And if you want to just a part-time gig, we're always looking for experienced riders to help spread this wealth of knowledge to everyone.
Can they get a hold of you?
You can get a hold of us at balancedynamics.com, or you can find them on Facebook, and on there you can call Bill or Dinah for the training details, or you can choose a class for whatever you're looking for, whether it's beginners, advanced, total control, and you can sign up for a class on their website.
Awesome. Thank you very much.